Use this dry winter fruit, filled with sweet and sour juice, to make a sauce to coat crispy chicken pieces. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Start by marinating the chicken. For that, cut 500 grams of thighs into chunks. Grate a piece of ginger. Take 1 teaspoon for the marinade. And keep one order for later. Add 1 teaspoon of Shaoxing cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, half teaspoon of salt, some ground pepper, 1 egg white, mix. Gradually add 100 grams of cornstarch while mixing. Let rest while preparing the other ingredients. To make the sweet and sour sauce, put in a bowl 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of white rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of black rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of chili paste, a pinch of salt, some ground pepper, a little orange zest, the juice of an orange with pulp. Combine. Then chop 2 garlic cloves. Cut in thin slices 1/4 orange. And in sections 2 spring onion and 10 grams of cilantro. Dilute 1 teaspoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of water. Fry the pieces of chicken in 2 portions in the oil at 180 degrees for 4 to 5 minutes. Put them piece by piece. Stir them from time to time. Remove them. Put a little oil in a pan heated over high heat. When the oil is hot, put the ginger and the garlic. Stir from time to time. When they start to brown, add the sauce and turn on medium heat. Stir from time to time for 30 seconds. Put the diluted starch. Stir for 10 seconds. Add the chicken and the orange slices. Stir for 10 seconds. Finally, add the spring onion and the cilantro. Briefly stir and cut the thigh. The sweet and sour orange chicken is ready. Enjoy without delay with a bowl of jasmine rice. Bon appétit! The orange chicken pieces are delicious. Their fine crust is covered with a sweet and sour sauce. The orange flavor is in the whole dish and goes very well with the chicken. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.